everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. Another breaking news. Kwaito star Elvovo reportedly hospitalized after he suffered a minor stroke while performing emcimbini obusendwetwe KZN. This sad news comes after the passing of another star, Mandla Mampintsha Maphumulo, and many are asking a lot of questions. Ukuthi kanti kwenzekalani manje ngale stroke? What could be the cause of it? His record label Durango Records Entertainment issued the following statement on the 24th of December 2022. This is a public notification to media, event promoters, fans, and all relevant stakeholders by Durango Records on behalf of the multi-winning artist by the name of Thokozani Phamandla Ndlovu, also known as Elvovo Durango. Elvovo Durango had suffered a minor stroke during his performance at Indwedwe on the 23rd of December 2022. He is admitted at the hospital for medical attention and he is responding very well. We kindly ask that you keep him in your prayers, and we are confident that he will come out of this difficult situation even more stronger. The family kindly ask for public and media to respect their privacy during this difficult time. Statement guys relizwe uSthabiso Dladla. So yeah guys, let's just put him in our prayers. We wish him speed recovery. That's all I have for today. Merry Christmas to you and your family. Bye.